So we had 2 days on effective communication in Amsterdam for the EGP. The first day was all about commercial communication and the second day was some practical applications. We started by making models of what communication means to us, which got us thinking about some key concepts, like the fact that you can never be sure what the other one understood, or the fact that everything else seems to have a big impact on what they understand. Certainly the way you say certain words will have an impact, so after that we got into an exercise to prove that the way you say things might not work out as planned. Yes, that's right, the triangle should have looked like this. By the end of the 5 minutes we were hoping to have something that looked a bit like this, but actually because of not doing some things well, other people had completely different models. So this gave us an idea of some simple tips of what you must do when you want to give a message to someone else. But actually, the first thing to do is to understand other people, drop your ego and try to see the world from their point of view. What kind of glasses are they wearing? Some people just don't have that focus. They're too interested in results and not enough on relationships, so they're never going to be able to make a good balance with the other person. If you want to balance with other people, you have to understand first where they are. If you know where they are and you know what you have to offer, you can find that sweet spot of rapport. So let's try and understand situation, values and needs of other people, and then we might be able to position our features as benefits. Day 2 was all about practical applications, and we started with building effective presentations in 5 steps. The first thing you need to do is to define a clear message by answering the 3 most important questions. Then you add a structure. Any structure will do, and we prove this by doing some exercises around improvisation, which is a lot easier than we thought it was. During those exercises and your performances, we managed to see some style tips. The afternoon was all about the link between your perception and your behaviour. Depending on your ego state, parent, adult or child, as seen in the role plays that we were doing with the people in the room, well, depending on that, you may or may not be capable of being assertive, and we got some learning points about that. So it was 2 days of exercise, feedback and mini theory. Effective communication.